This video is to talk you through essay number 2, the topic and directions. So essay number 2 is a causal analysis essay, but it's not going to happen alone. What we're going to do is take essay 1 and edit it and then add 4 body paragraphs to create essay number 2. So in other words, essay number 1 was the beginning of a longer paper. Now, you absolutely may use paragraphs from essay number 1 in essay number 2. That is not plagiarism because it's part of our assignment, all right? And you may be wondering, well, why should we do that? Well, this is what the writing process is. It's drafting and redrafting and editing and rethinking, using what we've written before, finding new information, and creating a new product. And that's what I'd like to teach you, that essay writing does not happen alone. It does not happen in a vacuum. It is a process. It is a process, okay? So your two things to know about essay 2 is that you're adding 4 new paragraphs and you're rewriting your thesis. So essay 2 needs a brand new thesis, which is different than essay 1, okay? But that doesn't mean you have to change everything or throw it out and start again. It just means edit what you have, add what you need. All right. You can download the topic here. In fact, I recommend doing that because it might be easier to read and to follow. But as you can see, the directions are also down here on this Canvas page. Okay. Let me read you the directions. It says, note, think of essay 2 as an extension of essay 1. You are making essay 1 longer and changing the argument. Therefore, you will use essay 1 as the base for this essay by copying and pasting usable paragraphs into essay 2. Be sure to fix any mistakes that were in essay 1 before copying and pasting them into essay 2. Directions. Using the paragraphs you wrote in essay 1, add 4 more body paragraphs and a new thesis to create an 8-paragraph academic essay. Okay, so 8 paragraphs, I know that sounds long, but you've already written 4. This essay will introduce the problem using the body paragraphs from essay 1 and give 4 new body paragraphs. These 4 new body paragraphs must explore the main contributing causes, please choose at least 3, of the problem you explored in essay 1. Be sure the causes you name are specific to the problem. Determine through a compare and contrast essay which contributing cause is most responsible for the problem. So you're not just summarizing 3 different causes, you're actually comparing and contrasting 3 different causes and determining through your research, through your analysis, through the quotes you use, and the analysis you make, which one could be said to be most responsible, most responsible. Interview someone you know for their thoughts on the causes. Most importantly, provide evidence from at least 6 new outside sources. That's 5 from Pierce College Library databases and 1 interview with someone you know. Thus, your total sources will be 6 plus any sources you used in essay 1. Each of the 4 new body paragraphs should directly compare causes to each other. That means you should be mentioning 2 causes in each paragraph. Your essay's other goal or new goal is to prove that one contributing cause is most responsible or more responsible than the other causes using 6 new sources. Please do not explore solutions. Many of you are excited to do so, but I want you to hold off. That's what we're doing in essay 3. And take the time to fully understand the difference between cause, problem, and effect. Confusing these terms can cause problems down the line. And if you'll allow me to go back out here 2 modules, you'll see in week 5, I've added an entire Canvas page as well as a video that explains that. It says, do not confuse cause and effect in essay 2. It's really important. And often it doesn't happen because people don't know what these words mean. It often happens because of grammar mistakes. Your thesis for essay number 2. This essay will need a new thesis. It essentially combines essay number 1 thesis with these new arguments. Your new thesis must name at least 3 contributing causes of the problem you looked at in essay 1 and prove one cause as more responsible than the others. So your thesis needs a topic, argument, and explanation. And here I've given the 3 biggest causes. I've told you which cause I believe to be most responsible and why I think one is more responsible than the others. Now, this explanation section, this number 3 section of the thesis, is the one most of you will struggle the most with. We know that from our essay number 1 thesis exercise, so be careful there. And take a look at the sample thesis that can help you navigate that. Required elements, you need an intro paragraph with an intro hook. You may use the intro hook you gave in essay 1 or write a new one. You must write a new thesis, and that thesis must contain a limited topic, an argument, and an explanation. You need 2 body paragraphs that proves this problem exists and affects you. You can cut and paste the body paragraphs from essay 1. You need 4 new body paragraphs, each with 8 to 12 sentences properly structured. Use quotes to provide evidence, 2 per body paragraph. Introduce and cite your quotes and evidence. For every 1 sentence of summary or quote, include at least 2 sentences of analysis. Your research must come from 6 new sources, and these must be different than the ones you used in essay 1. 5 articles or essays from any Pierce College Library databases, and 1 interview with a person you know. Give a concluding paragraph. You can use the concluding hook you used in essay 1 or write a new one, but you do need to rewrite that thesis, right? Because this essay has a whole new thesis. The essay must be 8 paragraphs total, 4 from essay 1 with a new thesis, and 4 new paragraphs typed in double-spaced in MLA format. The essay must maintain formal academic tone. Please include a works cited page. I've got some things about using quotes, some things about tone and phrasing, some things about MLA format and what your paper should look like, and some things about works cited page. All right, so hopefully that helps you in your essay number 2 journey. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.